going to explain lab exercise number 5 in JavaScript DOM by using DOM elements and events. Now here, using the JavaScript, I'm going to create different types of generators, calculators and all. Now this is the coding. Now first of all, I have created a project called as exercise number 5. Then here in this JavaScript coding, I have used the HTML tag where the head tag is used and also a style sheet has been created. Now in this style sheet I'm going to set the field set. Now the field set position will be relative, top and opacity is given as 0 pixel and 0.8. Now next the body is been going to be created. Now inside the body I have created the heading as calculate your body mass index. Now this is the main heading of the particular JavaScript coding. Now this is the heading of the uh, first field set which we are going to create in this particular coding particular mockup page. Now first is for this body mass index field set, I'm going to create a field set by using the weight, height, and also a button which is used to get a BMI button tagger, and this field set is given and it has been closed. Now after that, a paragraph is given that your BMI is or your body type is. These two statements will be coming will be showing as displaying as the output. Now next is the script, that is what is the function below behind this calculation we are showing here. Now W is the weight and H is the height which is the variable which we are giving. Now this is the this this is the BMI is the formula which we are using for calculating the body mass index. Now the document is given where if the BMI is less than 18 then it is underweight. If it is less than 18 or less than 25 in between then it is normal. If it is more than that it is overweight. Else more than 30 then it will then if these three conditions are not there, more than that BMI is, then it is obvious. Now it is the script is closed. Now this is for BMI. Now next is for table generator. Now for table generator, first of all I'm giving a HR tag has been opened. In that heading is given as table generator. Now a table has been created. Now inside the table again in script I'm going to write. JavaScript is being started by giving a script tag. Now by giving the script tag, inside that I'm going to give a function create table. Now inside the table I'm going to give many different types of functions which are using in this. Now this is for this is for the body reference, and this is where the elements have been created in the table and that table body. Now this is for the cell creation diagram, cells creation. This is for the row creation. Now next one, this is used when we are creating rows and columns. This is the for loop condition which we are giving. Now this in this way the rows have been created by giving this all attributes. Now script has been closed and field set also been closed. Now next for now again sorry the script has been closed. Now we are giving a field set for that particular table generator. For giving that field set, we are going to create a table which is of 100% weight. Now giving a rows and columns where it is shown as enter the number of the rows, the input like it will ask the input table like that. Then we have to enter the number of rows and number of columns and click a button where we are creating a button which is create table. In this way the field set have been created. Now the next table which we are going to create is for weight innator. Now weight innator is used for converting a weight to kilogram to pound or pound to kilogram and all. Now for that, we are going to create a field set that is convert is an input type text where ID is data. Then we are going to select using a select ID tagger where we have to select whether we have to convert a kilogram to pound or whether we convert LB to kg. After that, we are giving a button tag on click that is convert. After giving some values, we are going to click that button to convert it. Now behind this we are having some formulas. For that, this is the formulas which I am giving, which I have shown here. So that is inside the script we are writing that a function is given as convert. Convert is a function, and here is the variable is data and variable is index, where that is document.get element by id. Index is document.get element by id. Now next is switch cases is given. This is the data which you are giving. If it is multiplied by 0 and so, then the value will be shown. Otherwise, if it is multiplied by 0, then value is shown. In this way, the answer will be created. Now, the next, after the weight innator, we are going to show the length converter. Now, the length converter is used to convert some values, meter values into kilometers and kilometer value into meter. The same like weight indicator, here also we are going to use the field field set tag, and also inside the field set tag we are going to give a select ID tag where the options have been given like meters to kilometers or kilometers to meter. Here also button on click convert one is given to calculate the particular value. Now after that, here also there is a calculation behind this particular table that we are writing inside the script. First of all, we are creating the function convert one, then two variables are created, data and index. And these two are the formulas which we are creating to convert kilometers to meters and meters to kilometers. Now in this way, the script has been closed. Now the last last one is giving. We have to get a pizza order like table like that. Here also same. First of all, we are going to create a field set. Now inside the field set, I am going to create first of all the price of the small pizzas, then the medium pizzas and large pizzas. Here also some input type is given as text and ID is small and so on. Now each of this we are giving a label that is tip. Tip. Now the next field set we are giving as tip. Tip is like how much tip we are giving for the particular small pizza, medium pizza and all. For that I am giving label input type radio is like a button type and value is 10, id is t1, like that we are giving for each of the values label input values. And also here also a button is given. In this way the field set has been closed. Now a paragraph is given after to get the cost of the order. After that, below this, behind this also we are having some calculations. So for that we are going to write inside the script. First of all, we are going to declare a variables amount as m and l. Then a function here we are using is total cost. Now this SML L is small, medium, and large, and also the amount. Now when we are adding a small amount, medium, and large value, the amount will be calculated by using this formulas. This formula. After that, after value has been checked, we are also giving some tip. If we are giving some tip one, then this tip one value is given, and this way this is the formula which it will be calculated and we will get the output. If we are giving tip 2, then this is the formula, and if we are giving the tip 3, this is the formula. Else the output will be showing like the tip is not selected. Now in this way the coding is. Now if I will run this coding, see, this is how the field set has been created for calculate BMI, table generator, weight indicator, converter, and pizza order, and so on. So now if I am giving as 55, and here I am giving as 1.8, 1.7. Now if I click this button BMI, we see it's normal. BMI is calculated and the body type is normal. Now I am generating some rows. I am generating, for example, row is 2, column is 2. Then I will create the table. Now here the table has been created. Now next is weight indicator. Now I am going to convert some values, that is 56 to kilogram to lb, kilogram to pound, lb. Here the values have been given. Length also if I am giving 100, that is meters to kilometers. Calculate the value, we will get 0.1. Now next is a pizza order. If I am giving some pizza order like, for, like 110, then 350, then 500. Giving the tip as 10%. If I calculate the cost by using the formula, the cost has been given as 40,405. In this way, the coding has been executed.